We just celebrated World Sparrow Day. For the past long, there has been a significant decline in the number of sparrows in our country, India. According to an estimate, there are 1,358 species of birds found in the entire country of India. Many of them are on the verge of extinction at present. One of them is the white bulbul. Actually, the bird called bulbul is not completely white, but sometimes it is found completely white due to skin diseases. The white-eared bulbul is a member of the bulbul family. It is found in Southwest Asia from India to the Arabian Peninsula.